Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Memberful for managing memberships and recurring billing step by step clearly. To get started with Memberful, first, visit Memberful's website. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. Fill out the required information to set up your Memberful account. Confirm your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Log into your Memberful account using your new credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on Settings from the left-hand menu. In the Settings section, configure your account details such as your business name and contact information. Next, set up your payment processor. Click on Payment Settings and follow the prompts to connect Stripe or PayPal. Once your payment processor is connected, set your currency and payment settings. Now, create your membership plans by clicking on Memberships in the left-hand menu. Select Add Membership to begin defining a new plan. Fill in details such as the name, description, pricing, and billing intervals. Ensure you specify whether it's a one-time payment or a recurring subscription. After configuring your membership plan, click Save. Next, set up your content protection by navigating to Content. Click on Add Content and specify rules for access based on the membership level. Now, integrate Memberful with your website. Click on Integrations from the left menu. Follow the instructions for adding Memberful to your preferred platform, such as WordPress or Squarespace. Return to your dashboard and verify that all settings are correct. Test your membership by signing up as a new member. Use a different email address to ensure the sign-up process works smoothly. Once confirmed, test the payment process with a small transaction. Finally, monitor your dashboard for new members and recurring transactions. You're now ready to manage your memberships and billing with Memberful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.